Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Parenthesis 6 minus 3 multiplied by 5 minus 4. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we solve it. According to the rule, first we solve parentheses. Now here one parenthesis and one multiplication and one subtraction. So first we solve parentheses. The equation become 6 minus 3 gave us 3 multiplied by 5 minus 4. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. So first, according to the rule, first we solve multiplication, then subtraction. Now 3 times 5 give us 15 minus 4, and now we solve subtraction. So 15 minus 4 give us 11. So the final answer is 11. Thanks for watching.